keep your notebook by your side. I'm just going to ask you to read. Some children, a few children, then we'll go to the next lesson. Okay. I'll just ask Jake, did you write the answer what I gave the question on Friday? Is it Friday? Yeah. About online class.
Yes,
Jake,
ma'am.
you can look and read. Just read for me, Jake.
I look.
Like.
I like to
Look at your book and read. Did you write?
on
Jake, take your notebook.
classes.
No. Take your notebook in your hand. Have you written the answer?
Yeah.
Then look into your book and read. Take your book in your hand. Notebook. If you haven't written, leave it. I'll give you one more day to write.
Okay.
Okay. Ritik, please read what you have written. Those who did not write, please complete it, children, because I have to make you read it and I'll have to give you mark. Ritik, read what you have written about the online classes.
I can see my teachers. I like to study with them. I like to play with my friends. I eat lunch with them. I like PT period.
So which one you prefer? Is it online class or regular class? Tell me that first.
Classes.
Very good. You like to have regular classes. Very good. Now, children, I think many of you would not have written, but I'm giving you one more day to complete it. Please complete it, children. Okay, please complete. And now, yes, Jake, what happened? You want to read? Read, Jake. Yes. I'm waiting. Read.
I am looking forward to studying in 2 weeks.
Okay.
I would like to attend online classes because
Oh.
COVID-19 cases getting reported everywhere.
Yeah. Very good. That's all. Now, 1 minute, Rida. One more child will read. After that, I'll take class. Then I'll go back to the thing. I'll come back to this reading. Okay, after taking class. Now, Rida, read. After Rida, I will take class. Then I will.
I like to attend online classes because the coronavirus is spreading everywhere. It is safe to stay at home. I miss my school, classroom, teachers, and friends very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Now, I want Tridip to read. 5 children I'll make you. Tridip, please read what you have written. Tridip is not there today. Okay. Now, John Matthew, read. Have you written, John? I think some children haven't completed. So, children, I will make you read later. Did Cyrus write?
Ma'am.
John, did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read, John. Good. Read. Yeah.
I like to attend classes in school.
Good.
Because I will get good breeze,
Very
good fresh air.
Others listen. Then.
I like to play in the playground.
Very good.
I like to spend time with my friends. I like to learn new things.
Yes.
I like to do fun activities.
Good. Very good, John. Come on. Over. Yes, John. Very good. See, you must know. Now, Alan, please read what you have to tell me. I'll make some children read till 10 o'clock because it's very interesting. Alan, read, Alan.
Yes, ma'am. I like to attend classes in my school because I like to meet my friends and play with them. To take part in sports and other games.
Good.
to sit and learn in my classroom, to attend music and art classes.
Very good. Now, Sona, have you written, Sona? Very good, Alan. John and Alan, very good. Turn off your mic.
I didn't tell the fish to.
Oh, please read then. I thought it's over. Come on,
Okay.
read.
To celebrate special days in the school.
Good. Okay. Very good. Now, I want Sona. Sona, can you read? Those who haven't written, please complete your work. I'll make you read anytime. Sona, can you read, Sona? Did not write. Okay, you can write later. Now, just,
know what I'm going to write.
no, you have to write, then you read to me. Okay. Okay. Yes, you got it. Okay, tell.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I didn't write, ma'am.
Will you write it today and keep it ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I'll make you read. Okay, good, Sona. Judah, please. You write with the help of your mother. You can write. Okay. Must not make mistakes. Judah, can you read for me? John and Manu, turn off your mic.
Ma'am,
Judah,
sorry, ma'am, I didn't
Right.
complete it.
Never mind.
I will
Never
complete
mind.
it tomorrow.
Okay. Very good. Punit, can you read, Punit?
Me too, ma'am.
Never mind. I told those who haven't written, you can complete. That's what I didn't want to disturb you. Okay, Punit did not write. Virti, did you write? Virti? Virti is not answering. Manu, did you write, Manu? No.
I only said ma'am.
Okay, Manu.
Ma'am.
Okay, Manu, you only said. Okay, Manu. Now Virti is coming now. Okay, Virti.
Yes, ma'am.
Read what you have written. Others, don't worry. I'm giving you one more day. Yes, Virti.
I like to go to school.
Yeah.
I like to play with my friends.
Yeah.
I like to sing in music room.
Yeah, good.
In school, there is assembly hall, PT hall, and computer lab.
Very good.
There is also library hall in the school where I can read the book.
Let her read. Okay.
I love my school.
Very good, Virti. See, children, with the help of your parents, you can write, but you must read it. Okay, they must not interfere. Thank you, Virti. Now, Effie, can you read for me? After listening to all these children, others must get idea. Those who haven't done, I gave you enough time to do. Please do it fast, children. Okay, Effie, can you read for me? Effie?
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
I like to attend the classes in school because a school and classroom atmosphere gives me more interest towards studies. I can listen to my teachers directly, which will help me to understand classes easily.
Good.
Classes in school will help me to have more practice of all subjects and improve my writing, spelling, and grammar.
Very good.
Apart from studies, I can participate in co-curricular activities like art, craft, and music. Going to school helps me to interact and spend more time with my friends directly. Thank you.
Very good, Effie. Very good. Now, children all must tell me like this because I don't want you to write and keep it. Now, I want Getsia to read. Getsia. Yes, with that, Getsia, I will stop this today. Then I will take class. Getsia, please read.
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
I wish to attend classes in my school because I could study, eat, and play together with my friends.
Very good.
And it would be of great fun. I would interact with my teachers in a better way. If I attend live classes, I would spend much less time with my gadgets, which is good for my health. So I wish and pray that I could meet my principal, teachers, and friends in school very soon.
Very good. Now, children, I will make you all read later because I have to take class. I'm very happy that you have written by yourself and you are reading well. Others must complete. Wednesday, I will ask you. Tomorrow, you don't have EVS. Wednesday, I'll ask you 10 minutes to read first, then we'll go to class. Now, we'll go back to class. Close your notebook, everybody. You have to be attentive. Now, close your notebook. Nothing we are going to write. Now, look at the screen. Yes. Now, you must turn off your mic and turn on your camera and get ready for the class. Okay, now listen. We are just going to see our neighborhood. Now, I just want, okay, you saw the heading now. I just want to tell you what is a neighborhood. 1 minute, children, don't come in. Now, who's this? Turn off your mic.
Neighborhood is who lives
No, 1
next
minute,
to
1
you.
minute. No, please. I will ask you. Don't say anything in between. I'll just ask,
Neighborhood is
excuse me, ma'am. Who's this child? Ansh, wait, Ansh. I'm not asking you anything now. Just I will ask you. Don't disturb in between. Now, Ansh wants to share with us something about neighborhood. That's what I'm coming back. You must not turn on your mic when I don't ask. Okay, Ansh, now share with us what is a neighborhood. Please share with us.
Neighborhood is people who live next to a house.
Very good. Next to your house. If you're staying in a flat, apartment, or any place, people around your house. Very good. But Ansh, you must not come in between before I could ask. See, I'll give you a chance later.
Okay, ma'am, sorry.
Very good. Very good. Now, neighborhood is a place. I will ask many of you. Don't worry. Place where you live together, like you have so many houses around you. Okay. Now, Juansri, can you tell me? Okay, 1 minute, one by one. Juansri, can you tell me, do you know about your neighborhood? What is a neighborhood?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me what you know about neighborhood.
A neighborhood, neighborhood is we live in a apartment.
You live in yeah. But the places around you, the houses next to you, that only is your neighborhood, okay? Neighborhood means the houses next to you, people you live, neighbors. Now, Jay, can you tell me who are our neighbors? You'll tell, no, see, ma'am, that boy is my neighbor, this boy is my neighbor. Jay, can you tell me who's your neighbor? The person? A person
A person
who lives next to your house. Okay, now, are you living in a flat, Jake? Are you living in a flat?
Yes, ma'am.
That means many neighbors you will have. Okay, in your neighborhood, you have so many places that we will go to. Now, neighbor. Who's a neighbor? Sona, can you tell me who's your neighbor? Or generally, who is a neighbor? Jake, thank you. Sona, tell me what you know. Who's a neighbor?
Ma'am, neighbors are the people who live in the house that are the
Next to you.
my house.
Next to you. Very good. Next to you.
Ma'am,
Very
I live in an
Who's
apartment.
this? Okay, Ansh. Very good, Ansh. So you have many neighbors with you. Okay, Ansh. Okay. Now I'll go back to the screen. 1 minute. Now, a beautiful neighborhood. Okay, I'm just going to tell you. Now, you don't worry about the written work over there. Just look at the place. Now, it's generally I'll ask you. Now, Kailina, can you tell me what is this place called? Kailina, can you tell me what is this place called? Kailina's not there. Kailina, just tell me.
Vegetable shop.
Who's this? Ansh. No, who's this? No, I want Kailina to say.
Vegetable mandi.
Now listen, who's this vegetable mandi and all that who said? In between you don't answer. Kailina, I want you to answer. I want you to answer. Tell me the place where the picture is shown.
Vegetable shop.
See, all vegetable shop. What do you call so many vegetable shops together? A place where you can see a lot of vegetable shops. What will you call that place? Look at the screen and tell me.
Vegetable shop.
Excuse me, Kailina.
Vegetable shops.
Kailina, enough of telling vegetable shop now. A place where you see so many vegetables, people buying and selling and all that. What you call that place? Can you see the heading written over there, Kailina? Can you read that heading? What heading is written over there? Kailina, you please attend the class properly. Just look at the screen. Can you see the screen, Kailina? I want you to come up with your studies, but you are not making an attempt. What is that word written? Somebody told the answer also before. What is M-A-R-K-E-T?
Market.
No.
Market. Market.
1 minute. I want to see. Excuse me. Who are the children answering without their turn? I know that 79 of you know all the answers. I want other children to learn. No, Kailina, wait. What happened to your camera, Kailina? Yes, sir. Other children are just wasting their time and you are not answering. No, her camera, I cannot see the camera. Now see here, it's a market. Now don't turn on your mic. Listen to me. We are not worried about all the written work. Well, I'll just tell you. In the market, you see many people buying and selling. This one, they are selling the fresh vegetables and fruits. Okay. And India is very good in, agriculture, farming. See there, according to the climate, lovely climate India has, and we have a lot of fruits and vegetables. Okay. And in the world, we are getting second prize. First is China. Second one is India. You don't worry about the written work. I told you, I'm just explaining. And ginger, okra, that is among the vegetables. You get lots of things in India, lots. Understood? Onions, potatoes, cauliflowers, brinjal, cabbages, and in Ooty. Now, in Ooty, this cauliflower, cabbage, all this will grow, and even carrot, very well. Okay, that climate is suitable for it. Okay, first thing. And fruits also, our country ranks first. And see, bananas, papayas, mangoes, these three fruits. Keep in your mind, children, slowly I tell. Okay, among fruits, bananas, papaya, and mangoes, these stand first. Just keep in your mind, because any quiz question arises, you can answer. Don't learn anything by heart. You just understand. Okay, and ginger production, very good. You'll have a lot, and they get a lot of money. Okay, now please listen carefully. And this is a marketplace. I told you I will show you the picture and I'll ask you questions. Don't worry about the written work. And whose 1 minute? Whose mic is? And turn off your mic. I just don't know who's. Just now the mic was on.
Mom, I didn't on my mic.
No, I can hear some noise over there and the thing. Please listen carefully. Don't talk and don't turn on your mic. Okay, don't. Can you see somebody there? Juan Sri, please don't turn on your mic.
Okay, bye.
Good. Now the market. See there, people, hard working people, and all lovely fresh vegetables and fruits. In front, all the vegetables are kept. Now we'll go to the next one. See the big post office. My God, it's a lovely one. Okay, and I just want you to know, don't worry about the thing. What are the services available at the post office? I want, Mitra, can you tell me? Just if you see a post office, and I know you're too small to explain, but what all things you tell me. What do you get from the post office? And who works in the post office? Who will bring you letters for you? Money order? Postman. And what are the things you get over there? What you tell me. You'll get envelopes. Yes, somebody's talking in between. There. Listen, children. Okay, listen 1 minute. Only Mitra. Mitra, okay, Mitra, thank you. Now I want, listen, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'll call somebody else to tell me. Mm.
Near my home, there was a post office, man.
Okay, who's this? Let me see.
Rahul, man.
Rahil, very good. And have you seen the post office? Have you gone inside, Rahil? No.
I didn't
Yeah.
go, man.
Okay. And can you tell me what are the things you get in a post office?
One time only I will play football. I gone.
Very good.
I gone.
Okay. Thank you, Rahel, for sharing with us what experience you had. Now, Puneet, can you tell me what are the things we get over there? Just give me random in a post office. When you see a post office, when you see the picture of a post office in your book, what do you buy from there? Puneet, can you tell me, Puneet? No.
I didn't go any post office.
Okay. Now I will ask Effie. Effie, can you tell me? Just give me, share your ideas with the post office. Who will bring you letters or money orders and all that? Effie.
A postman or a postwoman will bring us letters.
Yes. Now, see that screaming Kai. This Akilan, turn off your mic. All screaming together. Now Effie's talking. Okay, Effie. Now, have you been to a post office?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now I think when you come back, I will ask principal ma'am permission and I'll take second standard children to a post office, okay, and bank and all that, and I will show you how it works and all. Okay, yes, don't worry, then fire station and all that. Okay, children, now we'll go back because you are not having that much idea. See that what all service it's written there, but you don't know. You get stamp over there, envelope we buy to send any parcels now abroad and all, children. We go to the post office, and especially that head post office next to that presentation convent next to our school. And they will weigh the item and they'll send it. They'll weigh the item and they will send. Okay, wait. Okay, children. Okay. Okay, next one. Post office. After that, hospital. This all will know. When do you go to a hospital? Now I will ask one of you. Shashwata, are you there?
Can I please answer, ma'am?
No, who's this?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Shashwat. Ansh, ma'am.
No, what? Wait, Ansh, I told you many times. Other children also must tell Ansh. I will ask you later. You finish telling me first one. Now, Shashwata, tell me what are the, after this I'll give you.
Ma'am, it's hospital, ma'am.
See somebody else. Shashwata, tell me. It's a hospital.
Ma'am, it was Rahil.
Rahil, 1 minute. See, children only, two big children only giving me trouble like this. In between, please, children, you listen to the teacher. 1 minute. Let everybody speak. I want to give everyone a chance. Shashwata, you tell me, Shashwata, what can you understand by showing this picture, seeing this picture? Hospital. When do you go to a hospital?
Ma'am, we go to a hospital when we are sick or
Very good. Okay. 1 minute. Next question. Who will treat you there? I'm not telling who takes care of you. Who will treat you? When you're sick, who will treat you?
the doctor, ma'am.
Very good. And who will help the doctor?
The nurse.
The nurse. Very good, Shashwata. A nurse will help the doctor and the doctor will take a treatment for you. Okay. A doctor only will treat you. Okay. Now, Ansh, I'm giving you one chance. After this, please don't turn on your mic without my permission, please. Okay, Ansh, tell me what you want to tell. Tell me, Ansh. Tell me now.
In
What
the
you-
hospital, people will get hurt and then the doctor will help them.
Okay, doctor will just give them treatment. Then after that,
And
anybody
some
who's sick,
people,
where is it?
whenever their tooth comes out and their gum is paining, they'll go to the nurse.
You're talking about a dentist. Okay. Now it's very, very dangerous to go to hospital. But ordinary people, you know why? COVID is going on, it's spreading out. So children must not You must not go to the hospital now. What if you have little fever and all, like a mild sickness, you can take care at home, okay, children. But otherwise, a hospital, big hospitals will have many surgeries and many things they are doing. Okay, children, and a lot of money is spent over there. You have physicians, surgeons, nurses, and so many health practitioners, all that. That and all for second standard children, it's not needed. Now we'll go to the next one. A bank. A bank. Now, according to your knowledge, you must talk. Okay, you don't read all these things, but it's necessary for you to know all this, because as you grow big, when any question is asked, any quiz question is asked, you must be able to tell. Now, bank. What do you do in a bank? Arush Botra, can you tell
You
me?
get money from the bank,
Okay,
ma'am.
who's this now?
Ma'am, Manu.
I don't want anybody to answer, please. I cannot ask 70 of you
You
to
get
tell
money
me,
from a
please,
bank.
ma, please, and stop it. I told you once, you got chance twice or thrice. Now, I want Arush Botra to tell me about a bank. Please. Parents, please see to that. I don't want anybody coming in between, because I know how to ask and I will just handle it. Okay.
Yes,
Others,
ma'am.
please. Okay. Arush, tell me. What can you do in a bank? What you know you can?
Deposit money.
Yeah, you can deposit money and you can withdraw money. Okay. And you keep something else also, you'll keep in a locker over there. Locker. Bank locker. Arush, can you tell me?
Jewelry.
Yeah, jewelry. Very good. Jewelry. Okay, Arush, thank you. Now,
Yes,
next one. And now 1 minute. Veerti, can you tell me about a bank?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Just yeah.
We will get bank in the money. We go to
You go to a bank to keep money. Even
bank
yeah,
money.
deposit. Listen, even now it's not necessary for you to go to the bank to deposit and take money, because in ATM also that service is available.
Ma'am, and honestly, I went to my bank where my dad always takes me.
Okay. Now good. Bank. You can have deposits, you can have credit card. I will ask you when I take class. You can have credit card, you can have debit card. That and all not needed for your level. Check books you need, but you must know generally. Savings account, recurring account, fixed, all that I'll tell you. Okay. Now, next one. Just see, my God, a fire station. Fire station. Actually, listen. Just now, who work over there? 1 minute, don't say all together. Anandit or Archand, any one of you? Can you tell me about a fire station? What all things you know? They are not there.
Fire station, ma'am.
Yeah, fire station. Now,
When,
now who's that, Rida?
yes,
Rida,
ma'am.
please, Rida, I'm asking Archand. I'm just going to stop asking questions. Okay, children, I'm not going to ask, because from the time I started the lesson, I'm telling you, don't come in between. I will call one by one. Y'all are not listening. Okay, fire station. Where anywhere, if you have fire, they will inform the fire station people. They'll call the people over there, and the firefighters will take the big vehicle with full of water, and they go and they help to stop the fire. Okay, by pumping the pumping the water. Now I will take all the children with ma'am's permission to show all these places. Okay, every year we used to take. See, children are not at all listening to me. In between, they are coming and asking, answering. I know that all know about it, children. Other children are just waiting. Okay. Yeah. Now, police station. Now, I'll take everybody to a police station. We will show you how it looks and all that. Okay, children. Police station. If you do any crime, if you do anything, no, not you, people. You don't worry about the small children. Anyone, any theft takes place, so police will come and catch, and they are very, very hard working people, because Sometimes they won't sleep at all. I'm not asking anybody because all are answering together. When you stop that, I will ask you. No, I don't want anybody to answer. I just don't want anybody. You have seen the police station, let it be. All are coming together. It's very hard because children are not able to hear. Same children going on telling the answers and others are not getting chance. Okay. Now wait. When class reopens, all can answer. And special class time and all, I will ask one by one. So anything happens, they'll inform the police. Any theft or any robbery or whatever it is. Any murder, all that. So the police will come and take action. Okay. See the police station. Now all cannot simply go inside and come back. Even we get scared of policemen. I will always threaten the children. See, if you tell lies, police will come and catch you. Of course, I used to tell my children in school. Hereafter, I won't tell because you all are good children. Okay. Now, next one. I think, 1 minute. Now, I want to come back to you. Children, 1 minute. It's not that ma'am is angry with you or whatever it is. You must not turn on your camera. See that? I'm talking and they are doing. Listen, you must not turn on your mic. You're disturbing the whole class.